Want to clear all cache in your Google Chrome? Here's how. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to the top right corner of the browser. Click on the three-dot menu icon, which will open a drop-down menu. From here, click on Settings to access Chrome's Settings page. Once you're in the settings, look to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down slightly and click on Delete Browsing Data. This will open a pop-up window where you can customize what you want to clear. In the pop-up, the first option is to select the time range. By default, it might be set to the last hour, but you can click on the drop-down menu and choose all time if you want to clear everything. Next, you'll see a list of data types that can be deleted. These include browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Personally, I prefer to keep my browsing history, but clear the cookies and cached files. You can customize these options based on your preferences. Once you've made your selections, click on the Delete Data button. Chrome will process your request and clear the cache within a few moments. And that's it. Your cache is now cleared, and your browser should feel refreshed. If this video was helpful and you'd like to see more Google Chrome guides, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.